Introducing Copper Mountain Hardware glass and crystal doorknob sets, shown here with the Russell Erwin triangle door plate in an oil-rubbed bronze finish. There are 3 different styles of doorknobs. First, we have the traditional round, shown here with an antique brass base. Next, we have the Regency fluted, shown here with a brushed nickel base. And lastly, the Providence octagon, shown here with an oil-rubbed bronze base. This doorknob set is available in 3 functions: double-sided dummy, passage hall closet, and privacy bed bath. Although only shown here in oil-rubbed bronze, it is available in a variety of finishes. This is the Russell Erwin triangle door plate, shown with the Providence octagon glass doorknob in an oil-rubbed bronze finish as a double-sided dummy. As you can see, the double-sided dummy includes a knob and plate for each side of the door. This doorknob set is also available as a passage or privacy doorknob set. If you order the passage or privacy set, you will receive the face and strike plates. If you order the passage set, you will receive the passage latch and passage spindle. If you order a privacy set, you'll receive the privacy latch, spindle, and pin to lock and unlock the door.